Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I wanted to go over this new lighting system I got just recently. Um, it's a 2 light set and it comes with light stands, of course, like they pretty much all do. Fold down, tighten, adjustable in all kinds of different heights. And it's got a place where the light, of course, will screw right onto there. Let me turn this power off on this thing. There we go. Unplug it for a minute. And this will just go on there and tighten that up. Get the threading started. There you go, and then you can tighten it down with this wing nut here. In there. Now it's not going anywhere. Okay? I'm going to turn this back the other way so that you can see the back of it. Now, it comes with a place to put batteries in it. So you take it with you on the road real easy. A lot of times handier around the house even, depending on where you want to put your lighting. But they just snap in, snap out. They're a camcorder battery and they're sold separately. But here's the dial for the warmth of the light. It goes 2500 to 6500K, and I don't know exactly what that means. I'm not a techie kind of a videographer or nothing like this. I do these. It's got the, what they call it, barn door. Feature on there, so you can direct your lighting a little bit differently if you want. And there's an AC cord that plugs in right here. And voila. Now I can see the warmth that puts on the wall behind me. You see it goes to different coloring and different brightness. So if I were to turn that on me, woo, that's too much me, isn't it? But anyway, I'm going to like these. Come in a nice carrying case bag with everything packed in there, and real safe and secure for your lenses. I'm pretty impressed with it. It does a nice job. I don't think I want that bright right in my face, but just for demonstration purposes. And you can even demonstrate the lower lighting and crank it up a little. So, whatever you need. Okay. They're really reasonably priced too, and even the add-on batteries. I just ordered mine. They're I'll have the link in here for those too, but you can go ahead and get those now also, so you don't have to wait on them like I am. It's a great light system. Like I said, it's too. Oh, and it's got these dudes here that you can put on like so, and it tightens up. It holds pretty good on there. And then put a foam mount on it. So that's nice. It's got one for each light stand, and that way you can get your different direction, of video and splice it in how you like it. Get you some. I think you'll like them, because I know I do. I'm everybody's man, right? So, thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.